In the beginning, there was darkness, then emerged the light, the embodiment of love and redemption, Jesus. In his story, we find an inspiring journey of transformation, echoing the teachings of Ephesians 2 verses 4, 5. His love, boundless and unconditional, is a beacon in the storm as portrayed in Romans 8 verses 38 and 39. This divine love transcends all boundaries, offering hope in despair. It encourages us to envision a world of peace and chaos, mirroring Romans 12 verse 18. His love, an endless beacon in a sea of despair, heals and transforms. It also reminds us of hope and redemption, as illustrated in Colossians. This tale of Jesus is a testament to the power of love and the ability to foster, as referenced in 1 Peter 1 verse 3. The love of Jesus, a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of love, as mentioned in 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.